Process of sewing the front riggings on this saddle using the C.S.Osborne and Company number 517 harness needles, and their length is 0. Anyway, I've got a 9-foot hand sewing thread here. It's this Ritza thread, and I've got a needle on each side with a knot right in the center, and it's a double thread. And I burned the thread after I tied a knot in it. And what I do is punch my first hole there and put the needle through here, and then the knot will end up in between, sandwiched in between. And I usually punch one hole at a time on this thick layers of leather here. I'm going through multiple layers. I push up from the bottom and then push with the awl, and you learn to get your hand out of the way right quick. I use a pair of needle nose to pull. I come up from the bottom first and make sure that it doesn't pull any wool up with the sewing thread. Pull it good and tight, and then punch the next hole. Got my first stitch made there. Come back, and I've got my awl haft. This is a Berry King. I like it because it's got a big handle on it. Hands will get a little bit raw after you're sewing all day, and that's a good one to help prevent that. Just pull it tight and punch your next hole.